Moft have sent me their next product that is pretty huge, as you can see. So Moft have just sent me a 3-in-1 carry sleeve, which, as you can see on the package, is sleeve, stand, and storage. So if you turn to the back of the package, you'll see that it has a 25-degree fold stand and a 15-degree fold stand. So Moft always comes in this like multi-usage products, and I just love it. I just love it. Is this a laptop sleeve? Nope, it's also a stand. So as you can see over here, it acts as a sleeve for your laptop. Just slot it in, keep it there, or it can act as a storage for multiple stuff like your SSD or a couple of books, pens, or whatever. It can do that. And of course, the stand, which is pretty cool. So from what Moft said, they've sent me their largest sleeve. So this one fits 15-inch or a 16-inch laptop, but it only fits laptops which are in a dimension of a 360 2050 by 17 millimeters. So that's one thing to note. So I don't think my laptop will fit because it is pretty thick. So gaming laptops is a huge no, but your MacBooks or your Chromebooks or all those slim laptops, yep, it'll fit that. So it's made from polyurethane fiberglass magnets, neoprene iron pieces, and polycarbonate. So let's get to unboxing. Ooh, okay. This is pops off. Very nice. There's no paperwork, so. And this is the laptop sleeve. It's got a leather-ish feel, but it's not leather, as I mentioned before, from all the materials and stuff. So it's got some magnets over here to close it firmly. Oh wait, forgot about this. Paperwork, yeah, inside. You got a Moft thank you note, and you got the instruction on how to use the sleeve. So it shows how to fold to the 25-degree angle and the 15-degree angle. So that's pretty nice. So okay, yeah, this is definitely not gonna fit a gaming laptop. This is built for like a MacBook, like legit. So it's got like a little flap over here, just like the Moft 5-in-1. So I'm assuming you just do this, and voila. So this is the 25-degree angle. I wish I could show you with my laptop, which is not here, but yeah, wait, hold on. This Lenovo Legion 5 Drive is roughly 15.6 inches, and this is the travel sleeve. This is kind of how it looks like if it were able to fit in, but judging by this, it's not gonna. So if you look at the back, there's this little stretchy material over here, so you can put your stuff and there'll be enough space. So I like that. So if you open up the interior, there's a little card slot over here, so you can put your ID or your name tag or something, so that, you know, if you lost this, people can return it to you. So there's like a main slot and a secondary slot with magnets over here to put your accessories. I'm not sure if you can see it, but yeah, accessories, main slot. Very nice. Nope, it can barely even make it this far. This is as far as it goes. So even if it doesn't fit your laptop, you can keep your accessories in there, your books or your wires, your AirPods, your earphones, even your tablet, your iPads will definitely fit in this. So yeah, let's try the low angle first, which is like this, and then you do that. Okay, so this is the low angle. Very nice. Take this, slot it there. Pretty solid. So yeah, if you're not using the sleeve, you can just use it as a stand, a 15-degree stand. Now the highest angle is like this, so okay, the flap stays open, all right, and voila, look at that, pretty nice. It it does the job. It adds a little protection for your laptop's base so it doesn't, get scuffed. Try the storage thing. So I got an SSD, a 1TB Seagate SSD, which has been an absolute savior for me. Some lightning cable, a couple of USB drives, a little notebook. You can slot maybe in the main slot instead, and the Moft snap stand, if you want to bring it around, right here, and the Moft Z, the 5-in-1 sit stand desk. You can slot it in. Oh, okay, it fits just fine. Slot it in your AirPods. As you can see, the stuff is stretching out the back, but it closes. So when you open it, it sort of sticks out like this. So, and you can just close it like that. The magnetic flap is it's pretty strong. Doesn't really fall. So yeah, so you can just bring this around. And once you're at your workspace, you take out all your stuff. I guess one of the downsides of this sleeve is that you gotta remove all your stuff in order to switch to the stand mode. And once you're at your workspace, once you've removed all your stuff, you just fold it like that, pop your laptop on, and you're good to go. So yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I like the idea behind this. It's very, very versatile. It's well built. It feels nice in the hand. It comes in 2 colors, by the way. It comes in this sort of dark blue-ish finish and also a black one. So yeah, thank you Moft for sending me this amazing product. Love it. It does have its disadvantage, like it can't fit something slightly thicker like this pretty slim gaming laptop. So it doesn't fit it. So it's more built for like a MacBook Air or maybe a MacBook Pro or your Chromebooks or your Huawei laptops, because they're pretty slim. Maybe a Lenovo ThinkPad or something like that, something slim basically, or you can fit your iPad if you want. So I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, a comment down below on what you think about my videos, on what I should review next, on what you think is the best carry sleeve for your laptop, because not a lot of carry sleeves can do what this can do, but then again, this can't fit much things, so there's that. Yeah, that's all I gotta say. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.